Welcome back to another episode in our Polychem Solutions maintenance series. Today, we're talking about flight scrapers. Outside of the chain, flights are typically the least inspected yet critical member of any chain of flight system. As flights age, they can deteriorate from UV exposure, fatigue, overloading, or misalignment. While these may not be immediately evident, they do create higher levels of system stress and wear. This can manifest itself in frequent shear pin breakages, chain skip, and even system crashes. Let's go through each concern one by one and address some common symptoms to look for in your tank. First up, ultraviolet radiation. UV rays degrade a flight's clear coating over years of exposure. You can tell that this coating is gone once individual fibers emerge from the flight. This normally occurs on a flight's freeboard but can occur anywhere if the tank is left dry. This degradation allows flights to flex more and increases cyclic fatigue on both the flight and attachment link. Next, let's talk about fatigue. Flights can and do fatigue over years of operation. Fatigue weakens flights, which can lead to attachment link flexing and breakage. Another symptom of fatigue is a permanently bowed flight. Any flight bowed over 5/8 of an inch runs the risk of the attachment link not engaging the sprocket properly. This significantly increases the potential for derailment failure, and heavy loads increase this risk even further. Overloading is another consideration to keep top of mind, as flights that are subject to heavy loading will permanently bow quicker than a lightly loaded flight. Constant heavy loading results in permanent deflection. This creates extra stress on attachment links and reduces chain life. Flights can also become permanently distorted around the vertical axis, which creates alignment issues. System misalignment can occur in several locations, and flights are no exception. The most common problem in a flight alignment is bad centerline. The distance between attachment links is a critical measurement here. Spacing must be the same as the distance between the drive sprockets and the idler sprockets at each corner. If these are off, not only does it greatly increase the potential for derailment, but it stresses the system every time that flight passes over the sprockets. Here's a pro tip. Look around for any rotated chain pins. This is a sure sign of misalignment. Flights should not be an afterthought. Equipment quality is vital for system longevity and reliable performance. Make sure to inspect all flights prior to installation for key dimensions. Properly torque all fasteners too. Torque that is too high will surely damage the flight. Basic flight inspections help prevent crashes and unplanned outages. Brentwood can assist with tank assessments, but these routine inspections should always be included in your annual predictive maintenance activities. Number 1, check flight strength by pushing it down in the middle to see if it twists. Number 2, measure for permanent bow or distortion. Number 3, inspect pin and clip orientation, particularly on attachment links. These are indicators of underlying problems. Number 4, measure center lines and correct any that are out of the specification. To learn more about our lineup of flight scrapers and how Brentwood's Polychem Solutions team can assist you with on-site tank assessments, reach out to us at brentwoodindustries.com/polychem.